Welcome to the legendary sand streets of Ayala Alabang, where exclusivity isn't just a word, it's a lifestyle. We begin our journey at this 1,100 square meter estate. Notice the commanding presence and the generous 6-car frontage that hints at the scale of what lies within. As we move past the secure perimeter, the architecture begins to reveal its secrets. Every line serves a purpose, leading us through functional spaces and storage zones designed for seamless estate management. Follow the path through lush pocket gardens toward the main entrance. This isn't just a threshold, it's the beginning of your best chapters. Step inside and prepare to have your breath taken away. Here, architecture becomes art. This massive living area is a masterclass in volume and light, featuring soaring cathedral ceilings and pristine marble floors that reflect the glow of a timeless chandelier. It feels less like a house and more like a cathedral of light. To our right, we find the first of 5 bedrooms, an ideal sanctuary for guests or a sophisticated home office, complete with a newly renovated spa-like bathroom that balances contemporary finishes with classic comfort. Moving back through the grand hall, we find the heartbeat of the home, the entertainment wing. Anchored by a bespoke bar, this space is designed for the host, who understands that a great home is meant to be shared. Adjacent is the formal dining area, a private enclave perfect for intimate family dinners or high-stakes business discussions. For the culinary enthusiast, the clean kitchen is your stage. It features crisp white cabinetry and expansive stone counters, while the nearby pantry provides abundant storage for the most well-stocked household. And for the heavy lifting, the daily kitchen ensures that the main house remains a tranquil, scent-free environment during preparation. Let's ascend. The transition to the second level is an experience in itself, guided by rich wooden steps and a gallery-style overlook that allows you to appreciate the sheer scale of the design from above. The second-floor family hall is your private lounge, a buffer of peace between the master suite and the additional bedrooms. Each bedroom on this level is a retreat of its own, featuring warm wood parquet flooring and large windows that frame the greenery of the Ayala Alabang canopy. Every bathroom has been thoughtfully updated, offering a consistent, new build feel within a home of historic pedigree. Finally, we enter the master suite. It is expansive, quiet, and commanding. With its own high coffered ceilings and dedicated zones for rest and dressing, it is the ultimate reward at the end of a long day. The master ensuite is a sanctuary of its own, featuring a deep soaking tub, double vanities, and a walk-in closet that caters to the most extensive wardrobes. But the true magic happens when we step outside. This sprawling lanai is built for the grandest of Filipino hospitality, effortlessly hosting 50 guests or more. It overlooks your private park, a shimmering emerald green pool, and an expansive garden that feels like a hidden forest in the heart of the village. It is a backdrop of peace, privacy, and prestige. This is more than a lease. It is a rare opportunity to inhabit a piece of Philippine architectural history. For more information and to schedule a private and discreet VIP viewing for this home, you may get in touch with us via our contact details in the description. Go to our channel for full-length educational and data-driven videos on Southern Metro Manila real estate. Visit our website for a list of various curated properties in the South. Email us if you would like to buy, sell, or lease properties. Till then, we'll see you in the South.